Welcome back to the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. And of course, as usual, we are going to learn something new today. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sing a song and you're going to guess what we are going to learn by listening to the song. Okay, it's like a guessing game. Yes? Come on. So I'm going to sing one of my favorite songs. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb and they all go marching down in the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. So what are we going to learn about? Tell me. Yes, you're absolutely right. We are going to learn about the ant. Yes, what do I have here? It's an ant. And you know what? Something amazing about the ant. The ant has no wings. The ant has no wings, but it is still an insect. Yes? So it's a very, very different insect because all insects have to have wings. But the ant is an insect and it does not have wings. So it cannot fly. But the rest of the things are the same. It has 6 legs. Yes. And it has 2 antennae. It has 3 body parts. That's the head, the thorax and the abdomen. So everything is the same as other insects. Yes? Come on, quickly revise that. How many antennae do ants have? 2 antennae. Show me, show me. Let's make them. Absolutely. And how many parts is the body divided into? 3 parts. Come on, show it to me. Head, thorax, abdomen. And how many legs do the ants have? 6 legs. So it is an insect. But the only difference is it has no wings. Okay. And I'm going to tell you something amazing about ants. So ants don't even have... What are these? What are these? Yes, ears. They don't have ears. So they cannot hear. But when they are walking and when things bang, they can feel the vibration. Brrr. That way they feel the vibration and that's how they start running back to their homes. Yes, so they don't have ears and you know what? They don't even have lungs. Do we all have lungs? Yes, of course we do have lungs in our chest. That's how we breathe. Show me, breathe and show me. Yes, so the air goes into our lungs, but ants don't have lungs. So they have holes on their body and they breathe in and breathe out from the holes that they have on their body. Yes, and now I'm going to show you something. Let's see what this is. Come on, tell me. Who can tell me what is this? Who can tell me what is this? Is this the house of the ant? Yeah. I know we always think that this is the house of the ants. But you know what? They fool us. This is not their house. The mud that they dig up, that's called the anthill. But they don't really live here. This is the mud that comes out from the deep holes and roots and canals that they make underground. See, they live here down underground, but the mud that they remove from here comes out and gets filled up like a heap. So this looks like a hill and we think there are ants there, but the ants are not in the ant hill. The ants, they are down, deep down in the colonies. So this is the house of the ants and this is called a colony. What is it called? A colony. Yes, And this mud which they dig out is called an ant hill. Okay. And I'm going to show you a little toy that I have here. See, that's an ant. Yeah. And ants are so small. They're tiny creatures. Oh, tiny creatures. But something amazing about them. Ants have been the longest living creatures. That means they're there from the time of the dinosaurs. Yes? And since that time, so many animals became extinct. See, just like the dinosaurs. Do we see dinosaurs anymore? No, they're extinct. But ants who are so tiny are still living. And the best part is that they're so tiny, but they're the strongest creatures as compared to their own size. You know what that means? That means this tiny little ant, okay, because it's so small, we think it's not strong, but it's very strong because it can carry things which are 15 times its own weight. Yeah. So if this tiny ant can actually carry 15 more ants on it, isn't that amazing? Yes, they are that strong. So I hope you all have learned amazing things about the ant today, and you're not going to forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye. See you.